How to change WhatsApp font on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change WhatsApp font on iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as accessibility. Now from here you simply have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on the option labeled as per app settings. And once you are in this section, simply tap on the add app option. Now once you are here, simply add the WhatsApp app on this. And once you have added it, simply tap on the WhatsApp. And here once you see the interface like this, you will be given the four options which is under display and text size, which is used to change the WhatsApp font size. So here you can adjust these four options according to your preferences, and once you're done, you can simply close the settings app and go to the WhatsApp. And here you can see that WhatsApp font has changed successfully. And that's it. That's how you can change WhatsApp font on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.